Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create design using templates on Canva. So here I've already opened the Canva app on my phone, and then if you want to create a design by using the templates provided by the Canva team, I'm going to show you how. So at the home page, use the search column at the top to look for the design type or site that you want to create. So for example, I'm going to click on this first, and then here at the templates tab, you can see you can type anything. So for example, this is a suggested template in it. This is for the Instagram story. For example, I want to create some Instagram posts by using the templates on Canva. Click on this, and then you can just scroll down to the available template provided by the Canva. And then if you want to preview the template, just click on the three dots icon and then click on preview this template like this, like so. And then we can just go back, and then when you want to select one, just click on the template that you want like this, and you'll be directed to the editor page like this, and you can just customize this template as you like. For example, you can also change the text, the photo, and extra. And if you're done, just click on this to save the design like that. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can create your own design by using templates on Canva. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.